Now, suppose we want to write 17 as 3 times something plus something. So 3 times a number plus something else. So the way we're going to do this is we can divide 17 by 3. 3 goes 5 times into 17, leaving a remainder of 2. So the best way of writing this would be 17 equals 3 times 5. 3 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, plus the remainder 2. So we do something exactly the same here, except that we are working with polynomials. So we are going to divide, since we're going to write p of x as d of x times something plus a remainder r of x. So let's write the polynomial here. So x to the 5th minus x to the 4th. The cube term is missing, so let's just put a 0 as a placeholder so we're not confused. The next is the second degree term, so that's the quadratic term, minus the linear term plus the constants. Now it's in decreasing order of powers of x. Now we do the long division process. X squared times what is equal to x to the 5th. So x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th. Once we have these two terms matching, the next thing we do is multiply negative 2x with x cubed. So that's negative 2x to the 4th and 2 times x cubed. So 2 times x cubed is 2x cubed. Now we subtract, and subtraction can be done by first changing the sign of every term in the expression and then adding the terms. That's the same as subtracting. So the sum of these two is 0. The sum of these two is positive x to the 4th. The sum of these two is negative 2x cubed. So we bring the next term down, and that is plus 4x squared. Next, we look at the term x to the 4th. X squared times what is x to the 4th? So clearly x squared times x squared equals x to the 4th. So we go plus x squared. So x squared times x squared is x to the 4th minus 2x times x squared. So minus 2x times x squared is minus 2x cubed. And 2 times x squared is 2x squared. So that's plus 2x squared. Now we subtract, so we change the signs first and then add the two expressions. We have the sum of these two, which is equal to 0. The sum of these two happens to be 0. The sum of the next two is 2x squared. So we bring the next term down, that is 2x squared minus x. So x squared times what is equal to 2x squared. So we have x squared plus times positive 2 is 2x squared, and then of course we multiply the 2x, negative 2x with 2 to get negative 4x, and then 2 times 2 is 4. The 4 comes down here. So now we subtract, so change the sign add the two expressions. So that's 0 plus 3x plus 0. So the remainder is 3x. So now we can write the polynomial x to the 5th minus x to the 4th plus 4x squared minus x plus 4 is equal to the divisor, since we've divided by x squared minus 2x plus 2. So x squared minus 2x plus 2 goes x cubed plus x squared plus 2 times, leaving a remainder of 3x. What I've done here is just checked my answer, just multiplied these two expressions and added 3x, and what we got was the same polynomial that was given to us. So the question was, you're given a polynomial p of x, and we had to write the polynomial as d of x times something plus a remainder, which means we had to divide p of x, which is the expression inside. We had to divide the expression, which is p of x, which is this, by the expression x squared minus 2x plus x squared minus 2x plus 2, which is d of x. And this term here is called the quotient, and what remains at the end is the remainder. So that's exactly what we did. We wrote down the polynomial as equal to the divisor times the quotient. Quotient is the answer that we get here, plus a remainder.